All right, we're back. We're in Chinatown, Chinatown, Thailand, Bangkok. This is a must-visit place. There are so many restaurants, shops, great, amazing food, and we're gonna try to show you some of it. Oh, this is it. This is it.
Yeah.
Hello. Can I get one small one?
The smallest you have.
Excuse me. How do we eat it? You cut inside?
Yeah, cut inside.
Okay. And what is this called?
Same.
What is it called?
Durian.
Ah, durian. I always, even back home, I saw them, but they're super expensive. My friend bought one for like 90 or 100 something dollars. So this we have?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Cheers.
Go for it. Cheers. They told you either you're gonna love or hate.
Smells weird, but tastes good.
Aftertaste is amazing.
Aftertaste, yeah.
First it tastes like garbage, then it's like an amazing taste comes out, and then back to garbage. Try having this part. You can just take bites out of it. It's funny, the garbage taste and then a fruit taste and then a garbage taste. She said either you're gonna love it or hate it. I guess you hate it.
Oh my god.
Okay. Okay, great. So that's a no-no. Okay, this is another thing I wanted to try. But did you taste the garbage and then fruitiness and then garbage and then fruitiness?
Very old garbage. Like
yeah, and then
stays at the street on the street.
Yeah.
Like
Okay, Tiger.
Bag.
Okay.
Okay, now I don't trust you to try this one.
No, this is amazing, baby. This is like, I know this is great. Let's go for it. All right.
Yes.
This smells,
Yes.
tastes like candy.
Yes. Thank God.
Definitely tastes like candy.
I'm okay now. Sweet, pleasant.
Yeah, it's mixture of
Smells like
pineapple and candy.
what is this? Hello, you.
Let's try one of these. Let's try one of these. But is it safe for foreigners to eat? They're not gonna get sick?
Oh no, it's
No?
not get sick.
It's okay, it's fried, right? What does it taste like?
Nothing.
Great.
Something chewy and fried. A
Ah.
little bit sweet.
Yeah, let me try some. Which one would you recommend?
It's a shrimp and pork.
Okay.
Inside together.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Which one is really good? This one? Okay. Okay, they're ready. Five giant shrimp dumpling for 65 baht. So how much is that? 65 baht. You're good in calculation.
Like kind of $3 Canadian.
3 Canadian dollars, guys. 3 Canadian dollars. Thank you. All right, so we have to wait for these babies to cool down. We're gonna try them now. Cheers. Oh my god. Amazing.
Tastes amazing, yeah.
And there's some kind of chili sauce with it. Wow. This is the best shrimp dumpling I've ever had in my life.
Yeah,
By far. Same?
Same.
Yeah. Wow, it smells amazing here. This lady is smoking some roots, I think. Oh, these. What is this?
chicken.
Chicken. Do you have fresh ones? Fresh? Can you make me one? Make me fresh? This is it?
It's fried.
The spicy?
One. Yeah, I
Okay.
like spicy. Just a little here. Thank you. Okay.
Is it good? Wow.
So good.
What is
Oh
this
my-
called in Thai? What is this called? Okay, I guess. I know, I was gonna learn how to call chicken, fried chicken.
Okay, let's go try some blueberry.
No, thank you. Oh, look at the colors.
บาทส่งใบหนึ่ง40 บาท
Tomato? Grape? Grape.
All of these grapes. What are they?
This is a squid.
Squid?
Yeah, but dried.
Dried.
So she's chopping up the seafood, the crab, and breaking the bones. So the juice kind of comes out. So you see, she's probably gonna mix the herbs and stuff inside.
I guess they are taking it home and cooking it with some.
I don't think so. You see?
920
What do you have here?
What is it?
These are stones, hot stones, and he's gonna put the dry nuts in there. Whoa! Smells so good.
How much is one of them?
50?
It was one the coldest.
Yeah, can we have a cold one, very cold, from all the way underneath? Yes, yes, thank you. No, I open. That's it. Just touched all over there.
Okay. And it's like, how they are doing this?
There you go. You got it. Fresh pomegranate juice. Let's try it. Guys, only 50 baht. 50 baht is again like $2.50.
$2 Canadian.
$2 Canadian, which is about $1.70 US.
It's great.
I noticed all the fresh juices here. They're very sweet and not acidic at all, and they don't give you heartburn.
Pineapple, I think.
It's pineapple. It's not.
Mango.
It's
No,
mango.
Mango, yeah.
Yeah, without this orange juice, but it's good.
Yeah.
We decided to get on one of these tuk-tuks for the fun of it, and although they overcharge and there's no air condition, but it's worth the ride. Oh yeah. It kind of looks like the rickshaw
Yeah.
we took in India. It's just a nicer version of it. More leg room.
The Bluetooth device is connected
What just
successfully.
happened?
He's trying to put some music for us.
Oh, that's music.
Bluetooth, yeah. Wow, this guy's really going at it. It's going real fast. Oh, that's not the music I was expecting. That's like a very nice romantic music. I thought he's gonna do some heavy metal music with his style of driving for us.